Hey, so I did want to give you an update. In the content area, there are some new areas if you haven't seen these yet. The resume, cover letter, templates, which you don't need a cover letter um, for this class, but you might want one for later. So I did include the cover letter as well. Editing traditional media photos, I did go through um, basically what you need to do here. I actually wrote it out so you don't have to watch the video, but there is a video here as well that you can watch. So I know some students don't like to watch video, and I'm trying to create alternatives to video. This video actually goes over how to start your booklet design and some tips for designing the front and back cover. And then also a few tips on how to lay out your inside pages. So if you want to watch that video. This one talks about the pre-fight panel. I kind of tried to talk about this in class, but I couldn't remember how to load the IDPP file. But I did find a graphic that kind of shows you how to do that here, and how to bring that file in and use that to check for errors in your pre-fight panel within InDesign. I suggest you do this before you send this off to print. It's not something you have to do right away, but definitely something you should try to do. So here's a video tutorial going over how to use this IDPP file in InDesign in the pre-flight panel. So if you want to go ahead and watch that, that kind of shows what kind of errors it can show. It can show any kind of errors with your images, your text. There's other types of errors that it actually picks up on that are pretty neat. So definitely worth doing a check in your pre-flight panel on your document. So I just wanted to give you an update on these new kind of semi-new, this one's brand new, but semi-new modules in here. So anyway, we'll talk to you later.